In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become a host on Airbnb 2026, step by step. To get started, open the Airbnb app or go to the Airbnb website, then sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, look for the option that says Become a Host or Airbnb Your Home. This is where the setup process begins, and Airbnb will guide you through creating your listing from start to finish. Next, choose the type of property you want to list. You'll usually be able to select from options like an entire place, a private room, or a shared room. It's important to choose the option that best matches what guests will actually be booking, since this affects expectations and search visibility. After that, enter your property's location and the basic details about the space. This includes how many guests it can accommodate, along with the number of bedrooms, beds, and bathrooms. Be as accurate as possible here, because these details help guests quickly decide whether your space is the right fit for their trip. You'll then move on to amenities. Add everything your property offers, such as Wi-Fi, air conditioning, parking, a kitchen, or a workspace. Amenities can make a big difference when guests compare listings, so take a moment to be thorough and include anything that improves comfort or convenience. Once that's done, upload high-quality photos of your space. Try to use clear, well-lit images that show each area honestly and attractively. Good photos help guests understand the layout and can make your listing feel much more inviting. Next, write a strong title and description for your listing. Focus on what makes the property stand out while keeping everything accurate. A clear description helps set the right expectations and can reduce confusion later on. You'll also need to set your pricing, availability, and booking preferences, including check-in and check-out times. This is an important part of the listing because it controls when guests can book and what kind of experience they can expect. Before publishing, review your house rules and any guest requirements. Make sure they reflect how you want to host and what guests need to know before booking. After that, complete identity verification and provide any required tax or payout information. This step is necessary so Airbnb can confirm your account and send you payments properly. Finally, preview your listing carefully to make sure everything looks correct and all the details are accurate. When you're satisfied, publish your listing and start accepting reservations from guests. And that's how to become a host on Airbnb in 2026.